Avid Invoice Online Training. What is Avid Invoice and how does it simplify invoice management? Avid Invoice is an invoice management software solution designed to streamline and automate the process of handling invoices in an organization. It simplifies the entire invoice life cycle, from receipt and data entry to approval, payment, and archiving. Here's how Avid Invoice helps in simplifying invoice management. Automation of invoice processing. Avid Invoice automates the capture and extraction of data from incoming invoices. It uses optical character recognition (OCR) and machine learning to extract key invoice details like vendor information, amounts, and due dates. This reduces manual data entry, minimizing errors and saving time. Centralized Invoice Repository. It provides a centralized, digital repository for storing all invoices, making it easier to access, search, and manage them. This reduces the need for physical storage and manual filing, improving efficiency. Approval workflows. Avid Invoice allows users to define customizable approval workflows, ensuring that invoices go through the proper channels for review and approval. This helps enforce compliance and accountability, speeding up the approval process while preventing unauthorized payments. Integration with accounting systems. Avid Invoice integrates seamlessly with accounting and ERP systems, allowing for easy synchronization of financial data. This helps streamline the reconciliation process and ensures that invoices are accurately recorded in the organization's financial systems. Real-time reporting and analytics. The software provides real-time reporting capabilities, offering insights into invoice statuses, payment schedules, and cash flow. This helps businesses monitor their spending, optimize payment cycles, and avoid late fees. Error detection. Avid Invoice can flag discrepancies or errors in invoices, such as mismatched amounts or duplicate invoices, helping to prevent overpayments and reduce fraud. Vendor management. The platform offers tools for managing vendor relationships, tracking payment histories, and maintaining accurate contact information, which helps improve supplier communication and streamline payment processes. How can Avid Invoice help automate your billing processes? Avid Invoice is a platform designed to help automate and streamline billing processes, offering a range of features that can significantly enhance efficiency and accuracy. Here's how Avid Invoice can help automate your billing processes. Automated invoicing. Avid Invoice enables you to create and send invoices automatically based on predefined billing cycles, eliminating the need for manual entry and reducing the risk of errors. Recurring billing. For subscription-based services, Avid Invoice can automate recurring billing. It can track customer subscriptions, automatically generate invoices, and send them without any manual intervention. Payment tracking and integration. Avid Invoice integrates with payment gateways to automatically track payments and update invoice statuses in real time, ensuring that payments are processed correctly and recorded in your system. Customizable templates. It provides customizable invoice templates that can be tailored to meet your company's branding and billing requirements, saving time on designing invoices from scratch. Late payment reminders. The platform can automatically send payment reminders to customers for overdue invoices, helping reduce the administrative burden of following up on outstanding payments. Tax calculation. Avid Invoice automates the calculation of taxes based on customer location, ensuring that the correct tax rates are applied to each invoice without manual input. Reporting and Analytics. The platform offers real-time reporting and analytics, giving you insights into billing performance, outstanding payments, and revenue trends, all of which can inform business decisions. Multicurrency and multilanguage support. For businesses with international clients, Avid Invoice can handle multicurrency and multilanguage invoicing, simplifying the billing process for global transactions. What are the key features of Avid Invoice for streamlining invoicing? Avid Invoice is a software solution designed to streamline the invoicing process for businesses. Here are the key features that help simplify and optimize invoicing. Automated invoice creation. Avid Invoice automates the generation of invoices based on predefined templates, reducing manual effort and errors in invoice creation. Customizable invoice templates. Users can customize invoice templates to align with their business branding, including adding company logos, adjusting layout, and formatting. Multicurrency support. Avid Invoice offers support for multicurrency invoicing, making it ideal for businesses operating globally. Recurring invoices. For businesses with subscription-based models, Avid Invoice allows users to set up recurring invoices on specified intervals, example monthly or quarterly. Real-time payment tracking. The software tracks invoice payments in real time, offering a clear view of paid and unpaid invoices, which helps businesses manage cash flow effectively. Tax calculation. Avid Invoice can automatically calculate taxes based on user-defined rates, ensuring compliance with local tax regulations. Integration with accounting software. Avid Invoice integrates with various accounting platforms, example QuickBooks, Xero, simplifying data transfer and reducing duplication of data entry. Online payment integration. The software supports integration with online payment gateways, allowing clients to pay invoices directly via methods like credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfers. Invoice scheduling and reminders. Users can schedule invoices to be sent at a later date and set up automatic payment reminders for clients to improve timely payments. Reporting and analytics. Avid Invoice provides detailed reports and analytics, helping businesses track revenue, outstanding invoices, payment trends, and client payment history. Multi-user access and role-based permissions. Avid Invoice supports multiple users with role-based access, ensuring that different team members can manage invoicing tasks based on their responsibilities. Mobile access. The platform is mobile-friendly, allowing users to create, send, and manage invoices on the go through mobile apps. How does Avid Invoice integrate with accounting systems for better efficiency? Avid Invoice integrates with accounting systems to streamline invoicing and financial management processes, improving overall efficiency. Here's how it typically works. Automated data syncing. Avid Invoice connects to various accounting systems such as QuickBooks, Xero, or Sage through pre-built integrations or APIs. This allows for real-time data synchronization, ensuring that invoices, payment status, and client details are consistently updated in both the invoicing and accounting systems without manual data entry. Invoice creation and management. Avid Invoice enables automatic generation of invoices based on predefined templates and data imported from the accounting system, such as customer information and order details. This reduces the chance of errors and accelerates the invoicing process. Payment tracking. The integration allows Avid Invoice to track payments and link them to specific invoices within the accounting system. As payments are received, they are automatically reflected in both systems, reducing the need for manual reconciliation. Expense management. By syncing expense data from the accounting system, Avid Invoice can also provide insight into costs associated with projects or invoices. This integration helps to manage cash flow more effectively and offers a consolidated view of financial performance. Reporting and analytics. Integration with accounting systems ensures that financial reports and analytics in Avid Invoice are accurate and up-to-date. This helps business owners or finance teams quickly assess profitability, outstanding payments, and financial health. Tax calculation and compliance. Avid Invoice leverages the tax rules set in the accounting system to automatically calculate and apply the correct tax on invoices. This ensures compliance with local tax regulations, reducing the risk of errors. Efficiency gains. With Avid Invoice, the automation of manual tasks such as invoice generation, payment tracking, and data reconciliation reduces administrative workloads. This leads to quicker billing cycles, faster payment collection, and better resource allocation for accounting teams. What are the benefits of using Avid Invoice for small and medium businesses? Avid Invoice offers several benefits for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, making it a valuable tool for managing invoicing and financial operations. Some key advantages include streamlined invoicing. Avid Invoice helps businesses automate the invoicing process, reducing manual effort and errors. This allows SMBs to generate and send professional invoices quickly and easily. Time and cost savings. By automating invoicing and payment tracking, SMBs can save time that would otherwise be spent on manual data entry and follow-ups. This reduces administrative overhead and improves efficiency. Improved cash flow. Avid Invoice enables better tracking of due dates and payment statuses, helping businesses stay on top of outstanding invoices and improve cash flow management. Customization options. SMBs can create invoices that reflect their brand by customizing templates, adding logos, and modifying content. This enhances professionalism and customer experience. Integration with accounting software. Avid Invoice integrates with popular accounting and financial tools, allowing businesses to sync their invoicing with other financial records for easier bookkeeping and reporting. Payment reminders and alerts. The tool can automatically send reminders to customers about unpaid invoices, reducing the need for manual follow-ups and improving payment collection rates. Expense tracking. SMBs can track expenses and manage financial records, helping them stay organized and easily access detailed reports for budgeting or tax preparation. Cloud-based accessibility. Being cloud-based, Avid Invoice provides remote access, allowing business owners and teams to manage invoices from anywhere, enhancing flexibility and accessibility. Scalability. As a business grows, Avid Invoice can scale to meet increasing demands, such as handling more transactions, clients, and complex invoicing processes. Better financial insights. By offering detailed reports and analytics, Avid Invoice helps SMBs gain insights into their financial health, allowing for more informed decision-making and strategic planning. How can Avid Invoice improve accuracy and reduce errors in invoice processing? Avid Invoice, a solution for automating invoice processing, can improve accuracy and reduce errors through several key features and capabilities. OCR, Optical Character Recognition technology. Avid Invoice utilizes OCR to extract data from invoices automatically, reducing manual data entry errors. It captures key invoice details, example amounts, dates, vendor names, and line items with high accuracy. Validation rules. The system can be configured with validation rules to check for discrepancies, such as mismatched totals, missing information, or unapproved vendors. This ensures that only accurate invoices are processed. Automated workflows. Avid Invoice automates the approval and routing processes, minimizing human error by following predefined workflows. It ensures invoices follow the correct approval channels, reducing the chances of misplaced or missed documents. Integration with ERP accounting systems. By integrating with ERP or accounting systems, Avid Invoice ensures that invoices are matched with purchase orders and contracts automatically. This reduces errors from manual cross-referencing and improves data consistency. Exception handling. When issues arise, Avid Invoice can flag invoices for review, providing clear alerts for exceptions. This reduces errors by ensuring that any discrepancies are quickly identified and addressed. Audit trails. Every step of the invoice process is tracked, creating an audit trail. This improves transparency and accountability, making it easier to trace and correct errors that may have occurred during the approval or payment stages. Standardized data entry. The solution helps enforce consistent formats for invoice data entry, reducing the risk of inconsistent or incorrect information being recorded. Machine learning and AI. Over time, Avid Invoice can leverage machine learning to improve its accuracy by learning from previous mistakes and continuously optimizing the data extraction and validation process. What are the cost-saving benefits of implementing Avid Invoice for your business? Implementing Avid Invoice can provide significant cost-saving benefits for businesses by optimizing invoicing and payment processes. Here are some key advantages. Reduced manual effort. Avid Invoice automates invoicing and payment workflows, reducing the need for manual data entry and human intervention. This minimizes labor costs and increases operational efficiency. Fewer errors. Automation reduces human errors in the invoicing process, such as incorrect calculations, misapplied discounts, or data entry mistakes. This leads to fewer invoice disputes, which saves time and administrative costs. Improved cash flow. By automating invoice generation and payment reminders, businesses can reduce late payments and improve cash flow. This minimizes the need for expensive collections efforts and helps maintain a steady revenue stream. Faster payment processing. With Avid Invoice, businesses can streamline their payment processes, which helps accelerate payment cycles. Faster payments can reduce the need for short-term financing, thus saving interest costs and improving financial stability. Better expense management. The platform offers improved visibility into invoice processing and approval workflows, making it easier to track expenses and manage budgets. This leads to more informed decision-making and reduces the risk of overspending. Consolidation of payment methods. Avid Invoice integrates various payment channels, which may result in lower transaction fees by centralizing and optimizing payment methods, reducing the cost of processing payments through multiple vendors. Reduced paper and postage costs. By moving to a digital invoicing system, businesses eliminate the need for paper-based invoices, envelopes, and postage. This not only saves money but also supports sustainability initiatives. Compliance and audit readiness. Automated record-keeping and auditing features reduce the administrative burden of maintaining accurate records for compliance and tax purposes, helping businesses avoid fines or penalties due to errors or missed deadlines. Scalable solution. As your business grows, Avid Invoice can scale with you. The system handles increased invoicing volume without the need to hire additional staff or invest in other costly infrastructure upgrades. Why choose ProExcellency for Avid Invoice online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Avid Invoice online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides experienced trainers with in-depth knowledge of Avid Invoice, ensuring that you get top-tier guidance throughout the training. Customized learning. They tailor training sessions to meet specific business needs, allowing you to learn in a way that aligns with your organization's workflow and objectives. Flexible online learning. The online format allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience, accommodating different schedules and time zones. Practical and hands-on approach. ProExcellency focuses on real-world scenarios and hands-on exercises, giving you practical knowledge that you can apply immediately in your daily tasks. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all aspects of Avid Invoice, from basic functions to advanced features, ensuring you gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Post-training support. They offer post-training support to help reinforce concepts, answer questions, and assist with any challenges you may face after completing the course. Reputation and success rate. ProExcellency has a proven track record of helping professionals and organizations improve their proficiency with Avid Invoice, making them a trusted choice. Cost-effective. Their training programs are designed to provide great value, ensuring you get high-quality learning without unnecessary expenses. Thank you.